Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to turn your crypto in cash? In this video, I will show you exactly how to withdraw USDT from Binance directly to your bank account safely, step by step. First of all, log into your Binance account on desktop or mobile. Go to the Wallet tab, then tap Spot or Funding where your USDT is stored. Since banks doesn't accept USDT directly, you need to convert it to your local currency first, like USD, Euro, or your home currency. Now tap Trade section, then click P2P. From here, choose Sell, select USDT from here. Filter by payment method like bank transfer. Choose a verified buyer and click Sell USDT. Or now enter your amount of USDT and select payment method, then bank. Enter your bank details and click confirm. And finally click Sell USDT. Option 2, convert with convert tool. Go to trade, then click convert and block trade section. Now convert USDT to USD. Like then move it to your fund wallet. Then once you have fiat, it's time to withdraw. Go to wallet section or your dash from assets, click withdraw. Choose your currency like USD or Euro. Select bank transfer method. From here, click withdraw fiat. Enter your bank details. Input the withdrawal amount, review fees, varies by region and method. Click confirm. Make sure your bank account names matches your Binance account. Otherwise, your transfer may fail. Binance may also ask for identity verification if you haven't completed KYC. Complete KYC like ID face scan if prompted. Add a new bank by entering account number like SWIFT code or IBAN codes. Confirm through SMS or email code. How long does it take? Bank transfers? Usually 1 to 3 business days. P2P methods instant up to 15 minutes. Fees typically 1 to $1 to $20 depending on the country and method. Always check the fee structure on Binance before withdrawing. Here are some safety tips when withdrawing USDT to a bank. Only use your own verified bank account. Always double check wallet and bank details. For P2P, only trade with verified users with good ratings. Never chat outside Binance P2P platform. If your withdrawal is stuck or failed, here's what you can check. Is your account fully verified? Did you choose the correct network and bank method? Did you exceed your daily limit? Go to help center, click more, then chat support for instant help. And that's how to turn your USDT into real money using Binance. Withdrawing money from Binance to bank account, very easy. So if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial and comment which coin you want to cash out next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.